Welcome back my dear friends, this is Engineer Arif.
I have designed this new series of SolidWorks video tutorial for my beginners friends.
This is the part, which we gonna design today using SolidWorks 2018. Oh yes, just do me a little support, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of new releases.
This is the part which we gonna design today for you friends. This is the exercise number 30. This is also a very simple and interesting tutorial. We will learn sketch, boss extrude, extruded cut, and fillet commands for completing this part using SolidWorks. We will use SolidWorks 2018 for designing this part. This exercise video tutorial will help newbies for their regular practice. Hope you will enjoy this CAD tutorial video. If so, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon.
Let's start. Click on the new part.
Go to Apply Scene and select Plain White. Go to Material, right-click, and select Edit Material. Then choose your desired material.
Left-click and select Sketch.
Now take Corner Rectangle command and draw a rectangle.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Distance is 60 millimeters. Width is 100 millimeters. Take center line command and draw lines like this.
Now take Circle command. Press OK.
Select these circles and make them equal.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Diameter is 20 millimeters. Width is 23 mm. Width is 23 mm.
The sketch is fully defined.
Depth 5 millimeters.
Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command. Press OK.
Left-click on this surface and select Sketch. Press Ctrl+8. Convert these circles.
Now take circle command. Press OK.
Select these circles and make them equal.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Diameter is 24 millimeters.
Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Distance is 3 millimeters.
Press OK.
Height is 55 millimeters.
Left-click and select Sketch.
Press Ctrl+8. Take center line command and draw lines like this. Now take Offset Entities command. Make sure bidirectional is checked. Choose Cap End.
Press OK. Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Height is 55 millimeters.
Press OK.
Take Fillet command. Radius is 15 millimeters. Radius is 10 millimeters. Take Fillet command. Radius is 10 millimeters.
Press OK.
Left-click on this surface and select Sketch. Take center line command and draw lines like this. Height is 30 millimeters.
Now select Smart Dimension. Now take Circle command. Now select Smart Dimension.
Diameter is 30 millimeters. From featured menu select Extrude Cut command. Select up to next.
Press OK.
Take plane command. First reference, midpoint of this line. Second reference, midpoint of this line. Third reference, midpoint of this line.
Press OK. Left-click and select Sketch.
Press Ctrl+8. Convert these circles.
Press OK. Now take Circle command. Now select Smart Dimension.
Diameter is 34 mm.
Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Choose midplane. Width is 14 mm.
Press OK.
Hide these objects.
Congratulations! This is the part which we are trying to build.
If you enjoy the SolidWorks video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for staying connected with us.